everyone. My name is Layne, and as always, thank you for being here. It means a lot, truly. Today, we're going to be seeing the beautiful parish of Portland. I absolutely love it. There's this natural and tainted thing to Portland that when you go there, you just feel how untouched it is for the most part. So I'm happy about that, and I'm excited to just be there. We'll also talk a little bit about understanding that your portion in life is certain. It is said no one can take from you what is yours. But in the meantime, just check out the beautiful scenery, and we'll flow with the conversation and see where I can pick in and pick out, because ultimately I do want you to get a sense of how beautiful and joyous the place was. So enjoy. And there she is, really quite the looker there, Portland. So yeah, I was I let the tongue tie there. As I was saying, we have to understand just a simple truth, and I myself, I'm learning to understand this simple truth that what is yours, and you have to have such an unwavering belief in that. And this little pointer came to me on the journey here, because when we were coming, we were trying to get some ice, we couldn't find any, and we were told to go to that shop, this shop, and ultimately we landed on a specific shop. And it just dawned on me that person is probably just sitting there, unbeknownst to him or her. A group of people would just come up and order some stuff, and you would make a sale. And it seems trivial and simple, but the underlying tone is that it just came to him. He was there. He didn't do much. He had laid the groundwork before. He has the shop. He did whatever he had to do. But in the grand scheme of things, that moment just came to him because that moment was his. And I think there's something so profound in that. And that's why I love adventures and road trips, because you get such profound messages in the most minuscule things. You could be driving and you stop and you meet a stranger and he helps you out, and then there's this kindness, that this ripple effect, and you feel nice and good, and there I am. So yeah, a very simple moment, a very simple message, but something that will make a profound impact on your life. What is for you is for you, and that's it. It's written in the stars. So with that said, enough chattings. Enjoy the scenery. Let's eat some food, and let's just enjoy the Jamaican culture, because what else is as beautiful as this? I just had to say this is what the Jamaican culture is all about. It's just linking up, having a good time, having good food, music. You have like a water nearby. Even if you don't have any water, once you're around good food, good vibes, and good people, it's going to be a good time, because that's what connects us. It's togetherness. It's this unity. So at the very least, I hope this video inspires you to go out into Jamaica, to touch back base with your roots, with the culture, sing a song, dance a little, go barefoot on the grass. Whatever you do, embrace the culture, because it is there for us to embrace. Now, bye guys, let's continue with the festivities. So peaceful. And also guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you'd like to. It helps us grow, and it's fun to just be here and explore together. This was one of my favorite games growing up, hopscotch. Anyways, guys, this was a fun one. Remember to just dance like no one is watching, because what else is the point of life if you can't do that? Seek out adventures. Let life take you by the hand, drag you, pull you, and spin you around. Try to always find the joy in the simple things. Always try to be true to who you are. That's a hard one to do because we're constantly evolving, and who we think we are, we continuously change. But at the core of who you are, have morals, have values, have respect for yourself and others around you. And blessings, as always. Big up, enough